Hi everyone, my name is Paula and I like to think of grad school as a job. I like to keep a work-life balance, I like to keep my personal life separate from my job, and additionally I just think that although a lot of people consider grad school the moment that you have to overwork yourself to get to achieve your goals, this is more something that I do and I work on every day in order to achieve whatever I want to go to the next step. The first thing that I would recommend is just having a schedule for the semester so that you know what you're supposed to be doing each week, and that way you can have set up everything in specific chunks during your week so that you can mostly work 9 to 5 or something as close as possible to that, and then after that you can have your free time how it's supposed to be. What I do is I take my semester goals and then I break them down into deadlines just for myself, and then I break them down even further to know what I will be doing each week. That way I know what I have to complete and I don't have to overwork myself indefinitely, not knowing when it's good to stop. This is an example of what my calendar looks like. In this part, I just have those big goals and deadlines that I talked about in the beginning. And then for each week, I have the breakdown of how am I gonna get there. And then I rewrite those in for every week. And then for each day, I prioritize something, making sure that I try to complete it. And if I don't, I reschedule it for later or something like that, just to make sure that I am making progress and completing the things that I want to. Finally, I would like to remind everyone that overworking yourself is not going to make you a better PhD. Make sure that you're making progress at work while also taking care of yourself, sharing with the people that you love, and doing the things that you enjoy the most. Make sure you have that barrier between work and personal life. That way, whatever happens at work won't change how you see or feel about yourself. Put yourself first.